This is bottle gourd. This is bottle gourd.
This is capsicum. This is capsicum.
This is bitter gourd. This is bitter gourd.
This is broccoli. This is broccoli. Broccoli grows in the garden.
This is ridge gourd. This is ridge gourd.
This is red cabbage. This is red cabbage.
This is yam. This is yam.
This is turnip. This is turnip. I water the turnip.
This is a pointed gourd. This is a pointed gourd.
This is artichoke. This is artichoke.
This is spring onion. They grow in the soil. They grow in the soil.
This is chard. This is chard. Now, let's water the chard.
This is fenugreek leaves. This is fenugreek leaves.
This is watercress. This is watercress.
This is mustard greens. This is mustard greens.
This is asparagus. This is asparagus.
This is taro. This is taro.
This is okra. This is okra. This is kale. This is kale.